I was just starting from zero, so I didn't know anything. So basically, I searched for where I could get some information about Oprah. So there was very limited information, as Pharmacy Council of Australia just provides you what are the content, what's the passing criteria, and all that. But it was so mixed because I was so much confused. Then by looking in, looking for proper guidance and support, I came in contact with allied expertise. Actually, we get to learn so many things. So ma'am and sir used to every day tell, give this much time, finish this portion. So what I learned from specifically from ma'am, that she taught us that first focus on little and then move to bigger part.
Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadamni, one of the members of Elite Expertise, and today we have with us Shelja. Hi Shelja, welcome to Elite Expertise and congratulations on clearing your opera exam. How are you feeling?
I'm really good. Thank you for welcoming me.
Okay, tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? What did you study?
Okay, so basically, I'm originally from India, and now I'm living in New Zealand. So, and I'm working here as a pharmacy assistant, and I'm currently in the path of becoming a registered pharmacist in New Zealand.
Perfect. And what did you study?
So, I've done masters in pharmacy, and then I moved here in New Zealand to become a registered pharmacist here in New Zealand.
Okay, so you've done your masters from India, right? Or from New Zealand?
No, I've done masters from India,
Okay,
and then I moved here to become a registered pharmacist here in New Zealand.
okay, perfect. So from which college did you study your masters?
So basically, I did my first bachelor's degree, first diploma degree from LM College of Pharmacy. Then I did my bachelor's in same college and my master's as well. So basically, a 7 years of study period in LM College of Pharmacy. And then I had my some experience in India also. I was working there also, and then I moved here after getting married and all that things. So now I'm in the path of getting registered as a pharmacist in New Zealand as well.
Okay, that's nice.
Mm.
And how did you come in contact with Elite Expertise? Like, where did you find us?
So basically, the Oprah exam is one of the mandate to become a registered pharmacist in New Zealand. So I was just looking for how to get, how to pass the examinations, what are the requirements, and everything. I was just starting from zero, so I didn't know anything. So basically, I searched for where I could get some information about Oprah. So there was very limited information, as Pharmacy Council of Australia just provides you what are the content, what's the passing criteria, and all that. But it was so mixed because I was so much confused. Then by looking in, looking for proper guidance and support, I came in contact with Allied from like a friend referred me that you can try this. Then I just look into the website, ma'am and sir's video, some students who shared their story, who had passed the examinations and all such things. So after that, I came to a decision that I will join Elite Expertise.
So, how many hours did you dedicate? Like, each day, how much time did you give to yourself and your studies?
Initially, it was so basically it required almost 3 or 4 months, that you could say, if someone's just starting to prepare for the UPRA exam. So initially, it's 3 or 4 hours of dedicated study.
Mm-hmm.
Then it usually increases to almost 6, 7, and then at the end of the examination, like almost like 15 days or 7 days before the examination, it's almost 12 hours of study. So it's like a journey where Elite Expertise takes us to that journey. So initially we start with 2 to 3 hours of lectures. It was, I think, every alternate days of a week, and then it started with every day, and then gradually it increased to around 12 to 10 to 12 hours of study with ma'am and sir.
Right. So the last 1 month is very crucial, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
So how do
that's
you
the
manage
part
your
where.
studies and your work and your family life and everything?
Yeah, so it's actually difficult where you are, living. I'm basically living in, I'm overseas, so it's very difficult to manage everything all together with the job and your preparation. But with allied expertise, actually, we get to learn so many things. So ma'am and sir used to every day tell, give this much time, finish this portion. So what I learned from, specifically from ma'am, that she taught us that first focus on little tasks and then move to bigger part. So that's what I did. First I focused on what I know and clearing my concepts, and then attending the lectures, finishing the mocks, regular doing the mocks. And then basically I managed to dedicate my time to full-time study. And then, like, it kind of goes with a process, like it's a process that everyone has to follow if they want to pass the exam. Yeah, so it was difficult initially, but then once you get into the process, it gradually you feel like you are attracted to all that, studying and getting the knowledge, practically acquiring. And listening to ma'am's story every day, what she faced at the work, what she has done, like as a pharmacist, as a working pharmacist in Australia. So it kind of excites you to learn more and more, and you dedicate yourself to that thing. Yeah.
Right. So what did you love about Elite Expertise and especially about Harika ma'am and Arif sir?
um Basically, first and foremost thing is like, it's a huge like a huge, what you could say, a sea of course, like how much you have to complete for Oprah. So they kind of, with the funnel approach, they kind of narrowed it down to a very limited and very precise learning experience, which was suitable for each and everyone. I'm not talking about myself, my friends who also passed with me. So for each and every person who are in India, in Australia, in New Zealand, or whichever country they are, for each and every person, it was really made like a customized approach to pass the exam. So that's the foremost thing. And then second, I would say that, after after you have finished your degree or your course or your bachelor's or master's, and then you have a huge gap, and then again
Right.
dedicate yourself as a student to
Right.
learn something new, it's very difficult for each and everyone, I guess. So no matter from where you are, um, a proper guidance is required. That's what I came for, with elect expertise, and they provided me, so I'm very happy. And yeah, that's the main thing that I focused on while passing, and they helped me a lot, like sir and ma'am both. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So do you have any tips for our future aspirants who would be appearing for opera in November or in March?
Basically, I would say first thing is, understand that it's not the exam of just, you know um, just getting into what the course is and what they have to finish and everything. It's basically a exam to learn each and everything that's been practiced in Australia. That's what ma'am and sir every day they used to tell this this thing, that learn practically to understand the thing, and automatically you will be able to give the answer. And that's first thing. And the second thing is, what a student can do is they can focus on the regular practice, like what they learn. So basically the mocks, they are very important. They help me to gain some time during the exam. Also, while I was giving the exam, I had so much of time at the end because of the mocks, because the way they ask the questions, you can only learn with the help of mocks, and obviously from the lectures as well. So just keep attending the lectures and just focus on what ma'am and sir says, because they both have very different kind of teaching style, and that's what is more important to learn and to keep you going also. So that's what I would say, all the students that blindly follow what ma'am and sir says, and that's what going to help you to pass the exam.
Okay, thank you so much, Shelja. One last question to you. How highly you recommend Elite Expertise?
um I guess if it's a fast 5-star review, that would be very less. I would give 10 stars, even 100 stars. But I would highly recommend to anyone who's in the pathway of becoming a pharmacist, or is dreaming to become a pharmacist in Australia or New Zealand. They can blindly follow Elite Expertise, and after passing the exam I got so many queries, and each and every one my answer was Elite Expertise. They will guide you from beginning to the end. As I am in New Zealand, so my journey was until here only, but I guess my fellow friends, they're gonna get more benefit from Elite, so they're gonna help until they become a registered pharmacist. So I
Thank you
would
so
say
much.
it's the only, yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much,
much.
Shelja. Thank you so much for your time and all the very best for your future. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Shelja. Thank you. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye.